is there job placement when you finish the course of study? The answer is no. We don't have job placement. That's not the nature of our program, like some programs. It would be very impractical for us to do that because we're a distance education computer-based program. We have students primarily all across North America, from Texas to Newfoundland. We have students out on oil rigs. We do have students in Europe and Australia as well. Students study the program remotely from wherever they live and work through their course of study. So it's not practical for us to try and do job placement for people scattered around the world, and it's not really what we do. The good news is we do have a career emphasis as well, because our program is very, very focused on manufacturing and on job skills. We do have one element of our support system that facilitates jobs, and that's in our private Facebook group, where it is private for our students and for our alumni. So alumni stay in the program. It's where students can converse with each other, and it is where we post job postings that we obtain from companies.